Hello guys, welcome back to EmpMonitor. As we all know, productivity has different facets, and productivity may mean different things for different people. So here in this video, we are going to discuss how to set productivity rules for your team on EmpMonitor. So let's dive into the details. Log in to your EmpMonitor dashboard. To set the productivity rules on EmpMonitor, go to the settings. Click on the productivity rules. Here you have three options: see all, global, custom, and new. Under the activity column, you can find all the URLs which are categorized as productive, neutral, unproductive, and customized by department. Select website if you want to see what all websites are added to the list. Click on applications to find what all applications are added. You can also add a new URL by clicking on the Add New Custom URL. Then just enter the URL and mention the category. You can also select Customize by Department option to customize the link department-wise and click on Save. If you want to search any specific URL, then go to the Search option, enter the URL and find it. You can check the URL category-wise as well. EmpMonitor also provide an option to export and import the productivity sheet. Just click on Activity, then click on Export and the productivity sheet will get downloaded. Similarly, to add the URL in the bulk, you can create an Excel sheet and import it. All the URLs will get uploaded in a few minutes. So, this was a quick overview of how to set productivity rules on EmpMonitor. If you need any help or face issues, feel free to write to us at support@empmonitor.com or contact us over Skype.